In this guide, we are going to show you how to compare prices using U.com's shopping feature. So once you open the U.com app, you can then head over to the search bar and type in the product you're looking for. So for example, this could be a smartwatch or a laptop. Then if you see a shopping tab on your screen, simply tap on it to focus on the product listings. And once the search results load, you will then see products from various stores including Price.com. You can then scroll through the list to view price comparisons across different retailers in real time. You'll then be able to click on a product to see more detailed information, including prices from multiple stores like Price.com, and you'll also find links to each retailer where the product is available. So the best part about using U.com is you save time comparing prices from sites like Price.com, Amazon, and more, as you can now do this all in one place. So there's no need to open separate tabs or apps, so just simply tap on the best deal and head to the store to complete your purchase. So that's how to compare prices using U.com. I hope you guys found this insightful, and if you did, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.